Hello guys, it's Gentle here again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's session I'm going to show you how you're going to convert a Word document to a PowerPoint, alright, in splits of seconds. Alright, so first thing, this is our Word which you are going to be converting to PowerPoint. So just follow my steps. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, you need to come to this arrow down here, customize quick access toolbar, then you click on it. Alright, then you navigate down to more commands. After that, then you click on this particular place. Okay, then you click on all commands. All right, after that, give it some few seconds. It's going to reload. All right, good. All right, so then you scroll down, you look for send to PowerPoint. All right, where is it? Yes, send to Microsoft PowerPoint. You click on it. All right, and then you click on add. So it's going to be added to this place, and then you click on OK. So after that, you can notice this right here. So what we are going to be doing next is you go to your work. So you select all, click on all, then you make it heading 2. Right, so after that, then you come to each of your work. Let's select the headers. All right, our topic title, this is going to be another title. Where is this? Okay, this is also going to be another title. Equipment section, yes, this is going to be another title. Okay, like a heading. Yes, selection. So you just look for all your headers. All right, you look for all your PowerPoint title. All right, so what I'm doing, I'm holding on Control, then I click. That's the shortcut method. All right, so I'm trying to select every point I want to be my headers. All right, so what I just need to do, as you can see, I've selected all my headers, then I'm going to make them heading 1. All right, so as you can see, these are my headers, those one highlighted. So after that, what you just need to do, what you just need to do now, you click on this. All right, send to PowerPoint. They allow you to do the magic for you. Boom. All right, as you can see, I can do this is our work. This is our work. You see, everything is there. Everything is there. See, every point which we make an header, we make heading 1, it's on different PowerPoint. So guys, this is okay. Let me try to edit something. Cool. Just edit something. See, you can change, you can reorganize your work neatly. So guys, this is very simple. It is straightforward method. All right, so you can even let me do something. So you can see that our work was perfect. Yeah, see, it's cool, right? Yes. So right guys, thank you for this session. I hope you've learned something. If this was helpful for you, you can share to your friends. Okay, and if you're new to our channel, you can kindly hit on the subscribe button. All right, and turn on the notification bell for any new updates which is going to be coming in the few days. All right guys, see you in the next one, and peace.